Good morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology educational content creator. Now content for B.Sc Zoology honors, M.Sc Zoology, CUET, PG and CSN in Life Sciences students. Paper and non-coded unit Arthropoda and topic is adaptation of Arthropoda. Why have arthropods achieved such great diversity and abundance? Or adaptation of the arthropods for the great diversity and abundance. Arthropods exhibit great diversity, wide distribution, variety of habitats and feeding habits, and have a uncanny genetic predisposition for adaptation to changing conditions. First, a versatile exoskeleton. Cuticle. Arthropods possess an exoskeleton that is highly protective without sacrificing flexibility or mobility. This skeleton is the cuticle, an outer covering secreted by the underlying epidermis. The cuticle consists of an inner relatively thick procuticle and an outer thin epicuticle. The outer epicuticle is composed of protein, often with lipids. The protein is stabilized and hardened by chemical cross-linking called sclerotization, which increases its protective ability. Next, chitin. The procuticle is divided into an exocuticle, which is secreted before a molt, and an endocuticle, which is secreted after molting. Both of these layers are composed of chitin bound with protein. Chitin is a tough nitrogenous polysaccharide that is insoluble in water, alkalis, and weak acids. To grow, an arthropod must shed its outer covering at intervals and grow a larger one, a process called molting. The process of molting terminates in the actual shedding of the skin or ecdysis. Segmentation and appendages provide for more efficient locomotion. The arthropod body plan was likely a linear series of similar segments, each with a pair of joint appendages. There has been a tendency for segments to combine or to fuse into functional groups called stegmata, that is stegma. Function. Appendages are frequently differentiated and specialized for pronounced division of labor. Limb segments are essential hollow levers moved by internal muscles, most of which are striated, providing rapid action. The appendages have sensory hairs and may be modified and adapted for sensory functions, food handling, swift and efficient walking and swimming. Next, air piped directly to cells. Most terrestrial arthropods have a highly efficient tracheal system of air tubes which delivers oxygen directly to the tissues and cells and makes a high metabolic rate possible during period of intense activity. This system also extends to limit body size. Aquatic arthropods breathe mainly by some form of internal or external gill system. Highly developed sensory organs. Sensory organs are found in greatly variety from the compound eye to those accomplishing touch, smell, hearing, balancing, and chemical reception. Arthropods are keenly alert to what happens in their environment. Complex behavior pattern. Arthropods exceeds most other invertebrates in complexity and organization of their activities. Innate behavior unquestionably control much of what they do, but learning also plays an important part in the lives of many species. Next, limiting interspecific competition through metamorphosis. Many arthropods pass through metamorphic changes, including a larval form quite different from the adult in structure. Larval forms often are adapted for eating food different from that are adults and occupy a different space, resulting in less competition within a species. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook channel Madhurima Datta.